Yeah, we're going to be flirting over this.
Okay, start. Turn it round.
Turn it round. Okay.
And then you need to actually get in
That's
inside.
vile. Are you joking?
So take the giblets out. You know, like the inside of the.
Why is it in a packet?
Keep it a lot cleaner actually. So that we're not actually going to use. It's quite.
That's what you got. Who's done that? Is that always in the chicken?
Normally, yeah.
Or a chicken or a turkey? I can't remember.
Turkey.
That's right. It's bigger. It looks like a bat. Doesn't it look like a bat?
Potentially, yeah. So every bird has breasts, and there is a wishbone.
Should we make a wish?
If you can get it out in one,
Okay.
otherwise.
What the hell is in?
You got it? Yeah, that's it. It's whether it's fake. Okay.
How do you get down?
You just
Oh no.
obviously you must not be that good with your hands. Potentially.
Oh.
Yeah, that's it.
Aha.
That's done. Turn it around now.
Oh god, this thing is vile. How do you get it out? Oh, it just comes
Yeah,
out easy.
literally, it's pretty easy.
Oh,
It's a lot easier.
easiest thing in the world.
Gonna stuff them with oranges and lime.
Oh, lovely. So you just add a little bit of zest to the top of the turkey.
So we have some thyme as well.
Some thyme. Why do we use thyme? Why
Flavor.
not coriander?
It's gonna add flavour.
Yeah, can we
Yeah.
use? Could you use basil?
You can, but thyme doesn't burn when it's in the oven.
Hey, give it a go.
It will soften up with your temperature of your
Feels
hand.
like clay.
So back to your turkey. Now without breaking the skin.
Oh god. I feel like I'm in an art show. Here, ready? Oh. And baby. There we go.
It's one way of doing it. It's one way of doing it. That's going to be the base for the sauce.
Vegetables down the outside,
Yeah.
like a moat.
There you go.
Wait. Put it in. There we go.
There you go. See?
The circle. What, do you not want to try it? We haven't tried it yet. You gonna try it?
Tastes good to you?
Oh my god. Eat harder. How good's that? Vegetables, fruit, butter, parsley, vegetables, fruit, vegetables, parsley, butter. Thanks for that.
Yeah, it's been a pleasure.
Hey, high five me.
High five.
Oh, you flirting.
Oh my god.
You flirt.